People often ask me, what's your skincare secret? You look so young. How Reiki didn't just transform my energy, it transformed my face. Reduce signs of aging, brighten my skin, and feel beautiful inside out, all naturally. Chakure, the power symbol. I used this to boost the energy flow. Seheki, the emotional healing symbol. Hi, I'm Dr. Nayana. Welcome back to PanchAyu. People often ask me, what's your skincare secret? You look so young. And today I'm going to share something truly powerful. How Reiki didn't just transform my energy, it transformed my face. Hi, I'm Dr. Nayana. Welcome back to PanchAyu. In this video, I'll show you how exactly Reiki healing helped me reduce signs of aging, brighten my skin, and feel beautiful inside out, all naturally. A few years ago, my skin looked dull, stressed, and tired. No matter how many creams I used, the glow just wasn't there. That's when I turned to Reiki, not only as a beauty treatment, but also as a healing journey. Reiki works by balancing your life force energy. When energy flows freely, your body naturally brings to heal, including your skin. Here's how I practiced. I gave myself Reiki, focusing to my face, neck, and my heart chakra. I let go of emotional stress that was showing on my face. I visualized golden light healing my skin from within. One of the most powerful parts of my practice was using Reiki symbols for regeneration and the emotional balance. Here's what I did. First, I rubbed my hands to activate the energy. Chakure, the power symbol. I used this to boost the energy flow. I would draw it on the air and place it over my face and visualize it radiating energy. Seheki, the emotional healing symbol. I use this to release the deep emotional tension, the kind that often shows up as wrinkles or tightness in the skin. Let the warmth, light, and energy flow into your skin, your heart chakra, and your mind. Just 10 minutes a day can give a visible shift. Within weeks, my skin looked more radiant. My face appeared lifted, refreshed, and glowing. But even more than that, I felt peaceful, beautiful, and confident from inside out. Remember, true beauty begins with energy. When you care for your inner self, your outer self shines naturally. If you would like to learn more Reiki techniques for beauty and healing, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and watch my upcoming videos. Let your glow come from within. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.